I got all those at the thrift store, and I'm gonna make some concrete crafts. I'm gonna fill these small ones with rocks. Buttercup, come here. Oh, little girl. Little guy. Honey, did you know this is concrete patcher?
Yeah, but it's perfect for what you're doing.
Okay, cool. We'll try it. My crystal supplier brought me some crystals.
I have gloves. That'll be $10.
You got it, boo. We added a little too much water, so we're gonna add a lot more concrete. Don't get down your coat.
I never helped out.
Circles from the old guys. Keep the motion in my own eyes. This life's just a rental, but you can never be too careful. So keep an eye for the end of it all. He's just got a case of bad luck. This life's just a rental. I tried to love enough. Tried my best to stay ahead, but I am underwater.
Now we're gonna pour the concrete. So this is actually like perfect consistency, I think.
What do you do with this cup? What do you do with this blue cup? I want a cup. Can I do that?
Yeah, sure. You scrape it in there.
You should put water with that.
Oh, this is gonna be so cool, June.
Can I put water with this?
One sec, babe, one sec. We will, because we gotta clean that out and everything. Okay, here's June. Okay, now I'm gonna add my crystals around here and here.
Let the waves wash over me. There's not much left to
I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. It's not looking that promising. Okay, and my concrete has cured, or curd.
Cured.
I knew that was wrong
Have you just been reading it?
the moment I said that. Jordan's gonna help me get this stuff out because some of them are stuck,
So she's
I
got
gotta-
her hammer.
Is that a bowl?
yeah.
This thing's sweet.
Wait, I'll be able to eat out of that?
No.
Can't eat out of them. That will never get out of it.
till you came around and acted as
Whoa, Mom, are we going to be able to drink out of that?
No, honey.
It's so cool.
Dude. Wow. We're gonna,
That's mine.
this is June's. We're gonna sand the top.
a bit reminder of what was missing. Now I'm running circles from the old guys. Keep the motion in my own eyes. This life's just a rental, but you can never be too careful. So keep an eye for the end of it all. He's just got a case of bad luck. This life's just a rental. I tried to love enough. Happiness is nothing more than idolizing freedom from yourself and from the ones who
Cool. It looks like it's still wet. That might be the issue.
Mom, you just broke his foot off.
Okay, that's why I told you not to touch it.
Yeah.
Okay, why are you guys over here? Go do your homework. Go watch your show.
wanted you to need them. Feel the warmth of independence on your
Stay back, you fool. I'm just kidding.
Wow.
Ooh, my god.
Mom,
It's
look how
still
close
wet.
I was to touching it.
Oh my gosh. A baby. Oopsie daisy. Well, you know,
That
now we
wasn't coming
know
off,
maybe it's not dry all the way. Uh-oh.
which is really stuck.
Mm-hmm.
Face and letting the thought that hurt you past its curfew. Running circles round the old guys. Keep the motion in my own eyes. This life's just a rental, but you can never be too careful. So keep an eye out for the underdog. He's just got a case of bad luck. This life's just a rental.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that's a bummer. Little Humpty Dumpty there. So what appears to have happened was I didn't sand the back of these guys. And I don't know if you can tell, there's like a little outline where the hot glue was. I think it just ripped it off. But maybe if this was sanded, it might have stuck better.
Running circles round the old guys. Keep the motion in my own eyes. This life's just a rental, but you can never be too careful. So keep an eye out for the underdog. He's just got a case of bad luck.
Do you notice anything different? Look,
Nice.
isn't that cute? It's like a little village.
That is
Like-
cute. Why are they all broken though?
Mom tried to make a magnet.
Well, those were the broken ones. I made magnets out of the ones that didn't break.
No, those are cool. What?
Nothing.
Those are cool.
Yeah, I like them.
Did you put mats under
It's
the bottom?
cute.